Hello friends, today we'll discuss a very small question and a trick to solve it. How to evaluate cos 36 degree minus cos 72 degree. So we know that, so cos 36 degree, it is not that simple to calculate in the same way cos 72 degree. So we'll apply some trick to find out this value. So what I'll do, I'll first multiply with its conjugate. So cos 36 degree minus cos 72 degree equals to cos 36 degree plus cos 72 degree is the conjugate of cos 36 degree minus cos 72 degree. So it will be also multiplied in denominator. So in the numerator, I'll get cos square 36 degree minus cos square 72 degree. This is your cos 36 degree denominator plus cos of 72 degree. Then we will multiply 2 both in the numerator and denominator. So that I'll get, this will be 2 cos square 36 degree minus 2 cos square 72 degree. Twice cos 36 degree plus cos 72 degree. Then I will apply a formula 2 cos square theta 2 cos square theta equals to 1 plus cos 2 theta. So 2 cos square 36 will be 1 plus cos 72 degree. And the next one, if I'll take negative common, it will be 1 plus cos 144 degree. All upon 2 cos 36 degree plus cos 72 degree. So in the numerator, 1 will be cancelled. So we will be getting cos 72 degree minus cos 144 degree. So 2 cos 36 degree plus cos 72 degree. Next, we'll change this cos 144 degree. Cos 144 degree can be written as cos 180 minus 36 degree. So that will be your minus cos 36 degree, and if I'll take minus here, it will be positive. So it will be cos 72 degree plus cos 36 degree upon twice cos 36 degree plus cos 72 degree. So we reach the target. This will be numerator denominator cancel, so the answer will be half. So cos 36 degree minus cos 72 degree equals to half. I hope you enjoyed the solution, you learned the trick. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed yet. Like, share and comment down in the comment section.